In today's video, I'll show you how to add DNS records in Cloudflare so you can properly connect your website, email services, and other online tools to your domain. If you're new to DNS records, they work like instructions that tell the internet where different parts of your domain should point. Adding the correct records helps your website and services work properly. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the domain where you want to add DNS records. Next, open the DNS section from the menu. Here you'll find a list of your existing DNS records and the option to create new ones. To add a new record, click the option to add a record. Cloudflare will ask you to choose a record type. The most common types include A records, which connect a domain to an IP address, CNAME records, which point one domain name to another, and MX records, which handle email services. Choose the record type you need, then enter the required details, such as the name, destination value, and any other available settings. For website-related records, make sure the information matches the details provided by your hosting provider or service you want to connect. You can also choose whether Cloudflare should proxy the traffic through its network or only manage the DNS connection. Select the option that fits your setup. After entering all the information, save the new record. Cloudflare will update the DNS settings automatically. Once the record is added, wait for the changes to take effect, and test your website or service to confirm everything is working correctly. Managing DNS records carefully helps you keep your domain connected, secure, and ready for different online services. And that's how you add DNS records in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.